Whoa. Whole team here. In case you didn't know. Hey, I'm all in my bag, I'm making them mad. I walk in the bank, I'm hitting my dad. Pockets is fat, a couple of stacks, I'm spending it all, I'm making it back. I get the green, what do you mean? Get to the cash, you know I'm a fiend. You know we lit.
What's up, y'all? Back here with another video, and today's video, I'm out here with my god brother. We spray painting some cabinets right now. You know, we lit. I got the mask on right now. I know what y'all think because of the virus, everything. I mean, don't get me wrong, we gotta be safe out here, but I'm not wearing this mask because I'm scared. I'm wearing it because we really out here spray painting. You know what I mean? Got my boy out here. You know what I'm saying? We out here doing the doggone thing. Yes, we are out here wearing masks, getting it done. So far we got this done. How we looking? How we looking? Go ahead, comment down below. We looking good, right? We looking good. We just gotta finish up these little last few pieces right here, so you know. So we gonna get it done.
I can't do it for nothing. Oh. Not a dancer.
Alright, so
I think we did good.
Now we wait. Yeah, you know, it wasn't too bad. You know?
Whatever we don't like I said, we'll cover it when we're done. We need to finish that one because it's still kind of wet, as you can see.
Yeah, we gotta finish this side of this one.
Get in here.
But not too bad, not too shabby. Not too shabby, no cap.
Alright, well,
So we'll finish up. I'll get the rest of the clip of us finishing it up. Alright, we're back with it. We're gonna try to finish these up. They look like they dry, right? A little wet, but for the most part they dry. So we're pretty much done. We just gotta do a few small things.
Touch-ups.
Little touch-ups. You know what I'm saying?
You was painting down there?
At the bottom? No. So this is, you know, a real finished product. Finished product. Yeah. Oh, this side didn't get done.
Huh?
The sides?
I ain't do the sides on this one.
Oh.
I didn't do the sides on these.
Oh,
But
okay.
you know if you can, if you want, because it's silver.
This one is done too. I just leave it, I don't care. Yeah, that was it. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Share with your friends if you have any. I'll see you in the next video.
Whoa, grinding till I get a mill. All I want is dollar bills. Stacking higher than some hills. Messing with my cake probably get you killed.